Hi, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to add background in Canva. So on default, your background on Canva is actually white. You can click on them and then click on this icon right here in order to change your background color. However, if you want to actually create another color of Canva, you can head over and upload in here a new image. Click on this upload file right here. And then from in there, you can head over and then upload in here an image that you want to use as your background. Once this image has been uploaded, you can head over and then click on them in order to add them right around here. And then you can right click on that image, then scroll down and click on this replace background right here in order to make this your own background. You can also go and find the background that you want. Like for example, this one. You can right click on it, copy this image, and then head over and then paste it right around here. Click on paste and then allow the pasting of image, and then this will add this image right around here, and then do also the right click and click on replace background. So that's how you add background in Canva. Hope we help.